Iqembu le-DA lizofundisa umnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa ongumholi okanye president walapha eMzansi Afrika ngaleli cala abamvulele lona lokuba wenza i-national address mhla ka-26 kuMeyi 2024 ekubeni sekusele isikhathi esingaphansi kuka-2 days kuvotwe. Angiqale ngobingelele ngikwamukele channel eMaswidi Mina Production okubingelelayo umxolisi mfana kaDlomo waphansi le enkandla. Uma ngabe ke uyaqala ufika le channel ngicela ukuthi ngenzele iqiniso lokuthi ucofa subscribe maqedwe wale video ushaye like bese uyakhomenta kulolu daba namhlanje. Kulindeleke ukuba inkantolo ikhiphe isinqumo mayelana necala elifakwe iqembu le-DA lilifaka eqenjini le-ANC okanye lilifaka kumnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa mayelana ke ne-national address akayenza mhla ka-26 May 2024. Iqembu ke le-DA libona sengathi le address umnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa wayesebenzisa amandla akhe okuba umengameli ukuze akwazi ukuthi ke awine ama-votes abantu ngoba ke bathi kwangasafanele ukuthi ke ngalesa sikhathi enze i-address. Kulindeleke ukuba ke inkantolo ibheke ukuthi ke ngabe le address ngempela yayikade ke ihlose ukumema okanye kunxenxa abantu kuba ke bamvotele okanye bavotele i-ANC noma mhlambe kwakade nje kuyi-address yayifisela abantu ukuvota kuhle nokutshela abantu ukuthi ke kukhona ukhetho oluzoqala mhla ka-29. Inkantolo ke yazilalela zonke ke inhlangothi ngolesihlanu nangolesithathu kwaphela. Njengamanje ke kulindeleke ukuba ke kuphume isinqumo mayelana ke nalo ke lolu daba. Ungazeki ke ukuthi ke uma ngabe kwenzeka ngempela i-DA iliwina ke leli cala engabe izokuthola nalokhu ke ekufunayo ngoba iveze ukuba ke ifuna ukuthi ANC imayinazelwe 1% wama votes ku national bephinde futhi behlawuliswe ngesamba sika 200,000. Kanti ke futhi kuphinde kwavela ukuthi ke leli qembu le-DA lolu daba lwaliphakamisa ingakenziwa ngisho ne-GNU. Kanti ke akulona lodwa futhi ke iqembu le-DA eliphakamise lolu daba. Maningi amaqembu aliphakamisile nokho ke wona awayanga enkantolo okanye ke awalifakanga ecala ngalolu daba. Kanti ke mawuzobheka futhi i-DA ibingeke isakwazi ke ukuhoxisa lolu daba ibe isiliphakamisile ngenxa yesithunzi salo nakubalandeli bayo njengoba ke kubhekwe okhetheni lwama local elections. Nganza kwethu ngicela ukuthi ke uzwe uDr Ndobe kade khuluma ne-SABC ngalo lolu daba. Mangabe usuqedile ungenzele iqiniso lokuthi ucofa subscribe ya like bese uyakhomenta sidibana kwi-video landelayo. Ngiyabonga.
Elections a few months ago, and everything that political parties were doing would be closely monitored by other political parties. And when the president had to address the nation, there are most people who said it appears as if the president could actually be trying his best to use this opportunity to campaign for his party. But at the same time, you have some who would say the president is actually talking to the nation in order to conscientize these people about what government has been doing and to remind them that there are elections that are coming. But I think now, to come to your question, because we've got the government of national unity, it does not necessarily mean that the Democratic Alliance is now an extension of the ANC. These two parties are still in competition, and we're actually going to observe that when the local government elections will be approaching. The different parties in the GNU still have to maintain their identities, look at their own objectives, have their own programs, and because they remain in a competition, there's always going to be ways and means to ensure that other parties are discredited in order for other parties to gain out of such activities. It will be difficult to tell. I think colleagues in the legal fraternity could be able to share some light. But I think there are only two things that should be clarified. Firstly, as to whether the president indeed campaigned or spoke in a manner that will justify that he campaigned for his party, the ANC, or indeed the president was actually only using this opportunity to provide a report back on what government has been doing and also to conscientize people about the elections. And those, in my view, are only two areas that are supposed to be looked at. We need to acknowledge that the DA raised this matter before the formation of the government of national unity. And it was not only the DA which raised this matter, other people, even though they might not have taken it to court, they also raised concern about that address. My view is that it will also be a lesson for future purposes that you need to be very, very careful when you're approaching elections, because whatever behavior that might portray, it can be interpreted in many different ways, and it could have negative implications on yourself and your party.